Made it out here to Turn 5 Fabrication. Susie is building me a new bash bar for the front of my car, and of course I get welcomed with something pretty entertaining. That is his trailer racing car, whatever, but it's basically just something to beat around. But apparently it runs pretty well, so as long as it works, right? We're here at Turn 5. See what Kevin's up to. Hey guys.
What's up?
How you doing?
Alright.
Awesome.
Sorry, Kevin's on the phone right now.
Kevin's always on the phone.
Got a boat guy here.
What's your name?
Troy.
Hey Troy. What's up, man? Is this mine? Is this mine?
Possibly. I have no idea.
Is that S13?
No. I don't think this is S13.
How dare you?
But I think we've got one.
Should be making one.
And I've been making these all day, man.
Nice. Nice, good old jig set up. Of course, Kevin's on the phone. What are you working on there?
That boat?
Well, yeah. The big old headers.
Yeah, have you seen them?
Yeah, they're freaking heavy as hell.
Yeah, I've been all crammed in there for days at a time.
That doesn't seem like fun.
Did you get the double?
What do you mean the double?
For? The bash bar, the double row bash bar.
The one with the support on top?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's Kevin. Alright guys, so here it is, front bash bar. Single bar, easy to handle. This right here is for my bumper. You see it's kind of angled back. It'll just hold my bumper up. So we'll throw this in the truck. We'll go put it on. Thank you, Kevin, at Turn 5. We've come through again, buddy. Alright guys, so we're back home in the dirty old garage. And just got the bash bar in. There it is. I'm liking it. It's a little bit tight. Actually touches here and here due to how I have my piping ran, but when we did this, I didn't really plan on having this bash bar. I was planning on using the stock one flipped upside down, but the bumper would not fit. So let's get this bumper on, see how it looks. Got a few little gaps, but I have my little bumper ties coming in tomorrow. We can get all this stuff kind of fixed up. Also started working on my headlights. That's all cut up and nasty looking, but I'll get a headlight right up in here, a little square, and it'll work just nicely. Thank you again, Kevin. Turn 5. See you guys later.